Grok is no longer free again, but there are several ways in which you can use Grok for absolutely free or as low as $1, $2, depending on your location. And also, there are some tools that you can actually use as Grok alternative. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to actually use Grok for absolutely free or as low as $1 or $2, depending on your location. And also, I'm going to be sharing with you some tools in which you can use as your Grok alternative. All I want from you now is to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so the first platform that I'm going to show you is the platform in which you can actually have access to Grok. Okay, with this platform you can directly have access to Grok for absolutely free, and also you can have access to Grok for as low as $1 or $2. Okay, and for you to do that, you just have to come here to your browser and then search for Kia AI or Kia API. All right, go ahead and search for it. As you can see, this particular link, look at it. So this Kia AI, okay, kia.ai, go ahead and click it. Okay, so let's watch and see. All right, so if you click the link, it's going to bring you here. Okay, and as you can see, from this platform you have access to ChatGPT 5.4, you have access to Sora 2, you have access to Opus, and also you have access to Clink AI. Yeah, Clink AI, and even Clink Motion Control. You have access to it. You have access to almighty Google VEO3, and also you have access to Grok AI. A whole lot here. Okay, there are 64 AI models in this particular platform that you can have access to. Okay, some are free while some are as low as $1 or $2. Okay, but we want to have access to Grok, right? As a new beginner, you'll be asked to just sign up. Okay, you can go ahead and create an account. So after you create an account, all you need to do now is to go ahead and locate the particular model that you want to use. For us, you want to use Grok, right? So you have to just go ahead and click you search for the Grok, or you click this try it. So when you click this try it, you are going to see the models. You have to go ahead and search the model that you are looking for. We are searching for Grok, right? We want to use Grok, so you just have to go ahead and search for Grok. Okay, all right guys, so if you click the Grok imaging, it's going to bring you here, and as you can see, everything that you have access to on Grok, you can see it here. You see image to image, image to video, text to video, and text to, like, everything is here. So for you to generate the video, we are going to be using the image to video. Okay, so go ahead and click the image to video. So when you click the image to video, it's going to bring you here. As you can see, if you look very well, you notice that there's a default prompt here and also a default image. Okay, this particular image that you can see, so it's a default image. So we are going to remove it, and also if you scroll down, you are going to see the length of the video. Okay, as you can see, you can either put it on 10 seconds or 6 seconds, and then you are going to see the aspect ratio, okay, which I'm going to be leaving it on 16:9 for the purpose of YouTube. All right, so for you to generate, you just have to go ahead and remove this default video. Go ahead and click remove, and then you are going to see where you are going to impute the file. Okay, upload file. That is the image I want to convert to video. Go ahead and click upload file. So when you click it, go ahead and select the image that you want to convert to video. Okay, look at this. I'm going to be using this image. Okay, go ahead and select your image. So when you select your image, and then you go ahead and remove this prompt, and then impute your own prompt. Okay, put your own prompt. Look at the credit that is going to cost us, and then when you are satisfied, you just have to go ahead and click run. All right, so our video has been generated, as you can see. Look at that. Okay, so let me play the video so that you see.
Who are you looking for? Food delivery for Mr. Ade.
All right, as you can see, so if you notice very well, it's giving the same Grok quality, but it is Grok, so the quality is the same thing. The quality of the video, even the dialogue, the speed, the voice is the same thing. Okay, if you really want to do a nice work, then you need to impute a proper prompt, because this is just Grok embedded here. It is Grok, they just embedded it. Any result that you are going to get from Grok, you can get it here, right? Because it's just the API. They use the API to to embed Grok on this particular platform. So that is it. All right, so now let me quickly show you the next AI tool which you can have access to Grok, and also you can use it as your Grok alternative. Okay, this one is 2-in-1. Let me show you very fast. All right, so for this one, you just have to come here to your browser and then search for Digen AI. Okay, Digen or Digen AI. So when you click it, look at this particular link. Okay, you see Digen AI. Okay, this Digen AI, go ahead and click it. So when you click it, it's going to bring you here. As a new beginner, you will have to go ahead and create an account. Okay, and if you look very well, you are going to see that you can have access to Sora 2 here. You can have access to Google VAO 3.1, and also you have access to RM 3.1. For you to know, for you to have access to Grok, you are going to see this model. Okay, this RM 3.1. Click it. When you click it, you are going to see, look at it, look at the models here. Okay, you see that there's Grok AI here. Okay, but the downside here is that before you have access to their Grok, you need to upgrade, and the money is very low. I think with $5 or so, something like that, you'll be able to, because I've not paid for I only use the alternative, which is RM 3.1, which is alternative to Grok. Okay, but if you want to have access to Grok, you need to upgrade. That is just the pure truth. All right, so now you want to generate, right? We are going to be generating using the RM 3.1. That is the model that we are going to choose. All right, so go ahead and select this plus icon to bring in the image that you want to convert to video. Go ahead and select the plus icon and bring it in. All right, so when you bring in the image, you just have to go ahead and paste the prompt, and then you just have to go ahead and hit OK. All right, as you can see, so our video is being generated. Now let's watch and see. All right, so our video has been generated, as you can see. Okay, so now let me play the video so that you see.
Who are you looking for? Food delivery for Mr. Ade.
Okay, yeah, the video is not really bad, but it's not giving us that Grok vibe and your Google VEO3, but you can actually limp sync it to give you that perfect result that you are looking for, which I've created the video on how to limp sync it and also how to remove this watermark here. Okay, you can check my channel. Okay, look at this video, or just check the description of this video. You are going to see the link on how to limp sync your video. Any video gotten from here, I've made a video on how to limp sync it to give you that perfect result. Okay, and to remove the watermark. So to download the video, you click the drop down arrow and your video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. All right, so now let's move on to the next AI tool, which is Grok Alternative. This works almost like Grok and the result is top notch. Now let me show you that. Okay, so to access the last tool, come here to your browser and then search for Quen.chat. Okay, this particular AI, go ahead and click it. All right, and here we are on the interface. So these are the interface look like. Okay, this one just look like your normal chat. You just talk to it directly, chat with it. Okay, so as a new beginner, you have to just go ahead and click this try Quen chat. When you click the try Quen chat, they are going to ask you to create an account. You just have to go ahead and create your account using your Google account. Okay, so when you create an account, then you have to go ahead and click this plus icon. When you click the plus icon, you are going to see all the services, everything that you can do using this AI tool. All right, as you can see, you are going to see create videos, right? Go ahead and click the create video to create your videos. So when you click the create videos, it's going to bring you here. All you need to do is to go ahead and select your aspect ratio. Okay, select your aspect ratio and then go ahead and click the image icon in order for you to bring in the image that you want to convert to video. All right, so when you bring in the image, you just have to go ahead and input your prompt and then go ahead and hit OK. All right, so now let's watch and see as our video is being generated. All right, so our video has been generated. Okay, now let me play the video so that you see what we have.
Last delivery today. I'm exhausted.
Yeah, the video is not bad, but just that it is just 5 seconds. That is just the issue here. Wow, this is cool. This is nice. So this is basically how to get access to Grok and also Grok Alternative. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice at the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any issue, I highly recommend you to drop the comment and I'm going to be attending to you. I'm Big Jonah as per your friend. Hand to head. Salute. Bye.